Vscode versus PyCharm, best AI code editor. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Vscode and PyCharm. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Let's start with Vscode. Vscode or Visual Studio Code is a lightweight and highly customizable code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports many languages and has strong AI powered extensions like GitHub Copilot. Pros of Vscode include fast performance, large extension marketplace, strong IntelliSense features, and support for remote development. Cons include dependency on extensions for full functionality, can get bloated with too many plugins, and debugging setup can be tricky for some users. Now let's talk about PyCharm. PyCharm is a dedicated Python IDE developed by JetBrains, known for its smart code assistance and robust development tools. It also supports AI features like intelligent code completion and refactoring. Pros of PyCharm include excellent Python-specific tools, built-in support for Django, a powerful debugger, and database integration. Cons include heavy resource usage, slower startup, and limited support for non-Python languages in the community version. So that's basically the main differences between Vscode and PyCharm, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.